Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going from carpool to cocktail. I thought it would be fun to do a little get ready with me, a little like how to transform yourself from mom, dropping kids off to husband's Christmas party or cocktails with friends or whatever it may be, cocktails by yourself. Daggone it, I sure wish this was the martini because right now it's just my cinnamon Christmas blend tea and it's still the middle of the day and I have to pick up kids. So, okay guys, I am going to start slapping on my face. I am gonna get Glam here. You guys got the soft Glam. This is going to be the more dramatic, well, maybe the same kind of eye drama, and a red lip because I love my lip. I have lots of red lip lovers out there, or maybe just people who want to see me in a red lip. I don't know. I don't know what your fetish is. Just kidding. Okay, so basically we should do a video of Rebecca gets ready with whatever the frick is on her makeup table. That's bad. Okay, I'm using the Laura Mercier Radiance Primer. This was one of my best primers. I like this primer because it does all the things a primer should do. And then look how much I'm glowing. Why am I putting it on like a guy? Have you ever noticed when you give guys product to put on and they're like, one, they use a ton. Two, they don't like know what to do. They just take a glop of it and go. They like use their hand like a mitt. And I'm just like, hello? Okay, I'm giving my husband a hard time because, folks, 24 karat. This is the Amber Shoal collection from AS Collection from Shop Hush. They sent this to me because I'm on their PR list. And it's kind of nuts. Like, I know everything looks in the same palette, like it's kind of a monochromatic look, but it's beautiful and it just, oh, yeah. It's just, if you like gold, if you like brown, if you like metallics, this is your set. Then we have gold dust highlighter. Yes. So I'm going to be doing a little bit of this. I might even swatch it so you can see. There might be some dupes in here. There might be some fabulous dupes of other brands we love. So I am going to start with this shade right here called All Natural. It is such a good full lid shade. Like, just put this on your lid. In fact, you know what I'm going to do before I do that? I'm going to take a little bit of concealer. I'm not going under my eye. This is the Jouer concealer. I'm going to go right there. That's all. So I'm just taking a little bit of my concealer to get it where I get really dark and kind of blue right there. Now I'm going to go in with All Natural. I'm just using a fluffy shadow brush. I could have taken the concealer and put it all over the lid. I don't know why I did that. Didn't do that. You got me. Why didn't I buy Microsoft stock in 1996? I don't know. I mean, this shade, it's brown, it's pigmented, and it blends beautifully. And I'm going to take different shader brush and I'm going to use it in Prenup. These are the matte shades. These are the two matte shades and they give such a good base for all this glitter and metallic and duochrome. And I've learned my lesson to do all the glittery stuff before my foundation. So I put my foundation on last. I'm just doing that underneath my brows too. I still might go right here with something, but I'm just kind of doing that for now. You guys will be so proud of me. I washed my brushes. I'm proud of me. So I'm taking a shader brush. This is a Wayne Goss actually. I really love his brushes. And I'm gonna go in New Money. It's a little bit dark, a little bit, it's glittery here. But see, it's kind of gold, kind of green. Green? Is it green? Maybe just more black gold. And I'm gonna put it right in this corner because this is giving drama. What do you think, guys? Serious question here. Should I get filler here along my cheekbones to make up for where my face fell after losing weight? I've always had kind of hollow circles there, and I've been really considering just evening that area out. I'm not trying to give myself like cheekbones or pillow face. I don't want to look like Madonna. I just was thinking maybe I can just kind of get it to where it was when I was 25, when I didn't, when I should have been more appreciative of it. So it's just an idea, and I was curious to know if something like that, you know, if I were to venture to do something like that, would you want me to film it? Would you want to know? Would you like me to just do it and not talk about it? Like, I'm just curious. Yeah, I just kind of, I want to feel the vibe for what you guys think. I mean, there's things I want to do that I just want to do for me, but I'm also kind of curious as to where you think. Okay, enough of that. Now, I'm kind of, see this shade right here that's called Pretty Please? It is chunky, but it's not. I mean, it's beautiful, but it is really bright, sparkly. So there's also this shade here called Luxury Tax, which is kind of a rose gold, kind of soft. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my middle finger and just put that all over, no, sorry, not all over, but just in the center of my lid, right there. That's kind of the most, that's like where my eyeball sticks out the most. So it's very three-dimensional. But see, you can see how that is the Pretty Please shade next to the one I already did, the New Money. So this one is Luxury Tax, and it is it's less glittery. But do you see how when I go back and forth? So I'm gonna take some setting spray in Bankroll, which is, that is true gold. That is, if you ever saw gold, gold. What is she saying? And I'm gonna paint it on. I did put some setting spray on this brush, people. Do you see how beautiful? Oh. I'm feeling really richy rich here. I do have some glitter on my face, not gonna lie. I don't know if it's quite fallout or just it's on other tools and it's getting on my table, and what I'm applying, it's sort of embedded. I'm gonna use PJ. Oh, what do you think? There's super, I mean, are we talking Jouer Skinny Dip here? Could this be like a little bit of a dupe? I don't know. In that case, I'm gonna take my Wet n Wild and I'm gonna go in Like a Lady. That's the one I'm gonna, look, be a lady. That's not the song. Oh, hi. It's kind of funny. I really went to town there. Can you see? I'm gonna go in penniless and just kind of, I don't know, but just kind of warm it up because I didn't really do blush. So I feel like my highlight needs to be warm. Oh my God, that's kind of funny. I got this Essence Keep It Perfect Makeup Fixing Spray. It is got no alcohol or fragrance. 2 of the Essence setting sprays are fine. This Keep It Perfect and the Instant Matte are sensitive skin friendly, and the other 2 have denatured alcohol. And I was like, oh, why do you have to have alcohol when you're the hydrating ones? God, this YSL. I love this, the Shock. I just love it. If you want to skip the highlighter because you're feeling like your eyes are kind of got enough Midas touch for you, totally get that. This is my Jouer lip liner in Rouge. The Jouer lip liners are just, I love them. I love Wet n Wild lip liners too. This is e.l.f. Razzle Dazzle Red. This is $3 and it's amazing. It's actually a little deeper than I rendered. It's not matte and it's not metallic. It's just kind of a cream formula. I mean, it might be matte, but honestly, it's so smooth. Okay, I am going to blot this. I'm gonna put a little bit of this blush on. LA Girl in Just Natural. I am going to do my eyebrows. Voila! I'm here, ready for cocktails. Yes, indeed. Let me give you a close-up of my face. I just combed my hair and changed my shirt. Yay! Let the parties begin. Okay, you guys. I hope that was fun. I have so much glitter and gold on me and I kind of love it. I would probably tone down the highlighter right now. Although if I was in a dark candlelit area, who cares, right? So I will leave links for these on the Shop Hush website, the AS Collection 24 karat. Well, thanks so much, and I really hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you are subscribed to my channel because my Christmas wish is getting 50,000 subscribers by January. Just kidding. But a few more would be nice. And I would love a thumbs up and a comment. And anything else? Yes. Okay. Well, thanks again, and I hope you're having a wonderful holiday, and I will see you next time. Bye.